The history of the Internet is a fascinating journey that spans several decades. It began as a project of the United States Department of Defense in the late 1960s and has since evolved into a global network that has revolutionized communication, commerce, and countless other aspects of modern life. Here's a brief overview of the key milestones in the history of the Internet. 1. ARPANET. The Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, ARPANET, was the precursor to the modern Internet. It was developed by the U.S. Department of Defense's Advanced Research Projects Agency, ARPA, and became operational in 1969. ARPANET was designed to connect computers at various universities and research institutions to facilitate the exchange of information. 2. TCP/IP. In the 1970s, the Transmission Control Protocol, TCP, and Internet Protocol, IP, were developed to establish a common set of rules and standards for data transmission across different networks. TCP/IP became the foundation of the Internet's communication protocols and enabled the seamless connection of diverse networks into a single network of networks. 3. Email and Usenet. In the early 1970s, email was introduced as a way to exchange messages electronically. Ray Tomlinson is credited with inventing the first email program in 1971. Around the same time, Usenet was created, providing a platform for online discussions and the sharing of information among users. 4. DNS and domain names. The Domain Name System, DNS, was introduced in the 1980s to facilitate the translation of human-readable domain names, e.g., www.example.com, into IP addresses that computers can understand. This development made it easier for people to navigate the growing Internet. 5. World Wide Web. In 1989, British computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web, WWW, while working at CERN. The WWW introduced the concept of web pages that could be linked together through hyperlinks. It also included the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP, for transferring data over the Internet. 6. Commercialization and web browsers. The 1990s witnessed the commercialization of the Internet and the proliferation of web browsers. Netscape Navigator, released in 1994, became the first widely used browser, making the Internet more accessible to the general public. This era also saw the rise of e-commerce and the establishment of major Internet companies like Amazon and eBay. 7. Broadband and mobile Internet. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, broadband Internet connections became more prevalent, offering faster speeds and enabling richer multimedia experiences. Additionally, the advent of mobile devices led to the development of mobile Internet technologies, allowing users to access the Internet on the go. 8. Social media and Web 2.0. The mid-2000s saw the emergence of social media platforms, such as Facebook, 2004, and Twitter, 2006. This marked the beginning of the Web 2.0 era, characterized by user-generated content, interactive web applications, and increased interactivity and collaboration online. 9. Cloud computing and Internet of Things, IoT. The 2010s witnessed the widespread adoption of cloud computing, which enabled the storage and processing of data on remote servers accessible over the Internet. Additionally, the Internet of Things, IoT, gained prominence, connecting everyday objects and devices to the Internet, creating a network of interconnected, smart devices. 10. Continued expansion. The Internet continues to evolve and expand rapidly. High-speed Internet access is becoming increasingly ubiquitous, and emerging technologies like 5G, artificial intelligence, and blockchain are poised to shape the future of the Internet. It's important to note that this is just a brief overview of the history of the Internet, and there are many more developments, technologies, and individuals that have contributed to its evolution over time.